Assalamu alaikum and good morning again to all of my friends and my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray I hope and pray that you all are in good health, enjoying Ramadan and helping each other, caring for each other. And you're not forgetting to wash your hands frequently because that's even very, very, very important. The things are getting a little bad, but don't worry, be happy, follow all the SPs and try to keep yourself safe and the others as well, right? So right now we are in a social studies class in which we have been learning about continents. So continents, we have learned last time we did North America and we did South America, right? So today we are going to do the rest of the 5. So I just want you to have a look at the map again. Just a minute. I'm just going to show you the world map once again, which we have seen before, so that we can see the location of the continents. There are in different on the land, they're differently placed. So we are going to have a look at that, and then we will one by one we'll get to know all the continents, right? So first of all, I just want you to have a look at this picture, which we have seen before as well, right? So this is the world map, which we did before. We did this part of North America up at the left upper side, you see, yes, over here, right? And then there was South America over here. We did these 2 of the continents, and today let me put my picture over here. So today we'll be doing this part of this Asia. We will doing this part of world. This is Africa. Then we are going to do here. There is Europe, right? We're going to do Europe over here, and then there is Australia. Yay! See. So first of all, I am going to tell you about Europe. See, so Europe is at the top middle of the world's most maps. Can you see? Yeah, over here, this is Europe, which right now I am putting my cursor on. This is the middle of the world map, which you can see over here. This is Europe, right? Yes, this is Europe. And this is the second smallest continent. And Europe is the only continent without any desert. Europe has no desert. So there are different kind of biomes in Europe. And I'm going to even show you a couple of the picture of the animals which are found over there. So Europe, you can find this in the top middle of the world's most map, which you can see right now over here. Right? And this is the second smallest continent of our world, and this is the only continent which is without any desert. So this is the thing, and I'm going to show you now the picture of this continent that is Europe. Right now, have a look at this. Now, this is Europe. Okay, now we are going to, yes, see, this is Europe. And Europe is cold, and they have different biomes, but this is the only continent without any desert. So there are foxes, there are raccoons, there are elves, and there is leopard as well, and wolf. Fox, raccoon. So the different kind of animals. It's very green and very beautiful. It's cold, and Europe has got like different countries. Like Great Britain is in Europe, Norway is in Europe, Italy is in Europe, Spain is in Europe. So it's a beautiful, beautiful continent, very green, and it has got different biomes, but not the desert, right? So now I have shown you the Europe. Now I am going to show you another continent, and that is Africa, right? Now I have put my picture just on top of Africa. Now this here, you can see Africa, right? Africa is in the right middle of the world's map. Can you see? That is just below my video, which you can see the small picture. This is the middle of the map, which you can see right over here. And this is the second largest continent, right? And majority of the people live in Africa. They are living in the rural areas instead of the cities. So this is not a very well developed continent. People are poor over there. They are developing, but there are like mostly people live in rural areas like villages. They have less buildings, very well developed cities. So there are like 54 countries in Africa. And do you know that it is more than a quarter of all the countries in the world? So 54 countries are only in Africa. And the famous thing of this continent, I will discuss with you that the animals here, there are the, like the countries are South Africa, there's Kenya, there's Nigeria, right? These kind of countries are over there. And the position of the Africa is, the continent Africa is just in the middle of the map, right? So I am just going to share the picture of Africa with you right now, the second largest continent, right? Now have a look at this. This is Africa. Now, Africa has all these wild animals because Africa has so many jungles. As I told you, that people still live in the rural areas rather than the cities. So that means there are a lot and a lot of jungles over there. So if it's a jungle, you can see rhinos over there, you can see giraffes over there, you can see elephants and lions and zebras and crocodiles and hippopotamus and leopards. And I got that opportunity to see all that live in Africa. In South Africa, there are like jungles where you can go and have safari, live safari. There's so amazing thing to experience. So these are the kind of animals you can see in Africa, because there are jungle. So this is the location and the picture of the continent. Now, the next I am going to show you is, we will discuss the continent in which we live in. Yes, we are going to discuss about the continent we live in, and that is Asia. Now I'm going to put this is Asia, right? Now my picture is under our continent Asia, right? You can see me here, right? Asia is right above my video. Yes, this is right above my video. And this is the largest continent. So Asia is on the top right position of most of the maps, which we see when you look at any map, you can see Asia as the top right position. And it is the largest continent with most people, right? Yes, there are like, this is the biggest continent and there are most people. And the largest nation in Asia is China. You all know about China? Yes. And yeah, there is a very, very amazing thing about Asia, that there are like countries which are in Asia as well, and they share Europe as well. So that's so amazing, because when I'm going to show you the location of Europe and Asia, you can see that Turkey and Russia are the countries who share two continents, Asia and Europe. And Asia is the largest country in the world, right? So if we look at this picture of the world map, when we look at this, we can see that Asia is with Europe over here, right? And if we can, yeah, just have a look at this. This is, we are in Africa. We don't want to be in Africa. We want to look here. Yes, okay, now let's see. Now Turkey, you see, can you see Turkey over here? Yes, this is Turkey. Now, this is Asia. Now, Asia here is in Turkey, and this portion of Turkey is in Europe. See, here is Europe, here is Asia. I'll just put a little small, put it a little. See? No, oh my God. Okay, just a minute. I just want you to have a look at this properly, that this is Asia, and this is Asia, this is Europe. Now this is where the Turkey is located. So half of the Turkey is in Asia, and then half is with the Europe, right? So this is the country which shares two continents, and even that is Russia. See Moscow, and this here, some of the part of Russia is in Asia and some is in Europe, right? So that's so amazing that there are two countries which share two continents. Half of the, like some of the part is in Asia and some of the part is in Europe. And these two countries are Turkey and Russia. Yes. So I am just going to share the picture of Asia with you right now. Just have a look at this. And where is my, yes, here is Asia, right? Now, can you see Asia? Okay, just a minute, hold on. I'm just going to delete the pictures which we have already seen. Okay. Yes. Now I'm just going to share the picture of Asia with you. Okay, that's great. So see, this is Asia. And if we just, yeah, see? Now, if you can see that Turkey here is here, and Russia is here. Some of the part of Russia is in Europe because Europe is over here, and some of the part of the Turkey is in Europe because the Europe is over here, right? So in Russia, you can see there are like a couple of many countries because this is the largest continent. We've got Russia, we have got China, Mongolia, India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Iran, Turkey, Philippines, Japan, and yes, I want to have a look at this. Yes, we have got Indonesia, and we have got Sri Lanka, Iran, we have got Maldives, we have got over here, we have got Saudi Arabia, we have got Iran, we have got Iraq, we've got Turkey. Yeah, this is here Pakistan, this is Afghanistan. Wow, see? So this is the largest continent with the population, most population, and the largest nation in Asia is China. Yes. Okay, so after that, we are just going to have a look at our sixth continent, and that is over here. I'm just going to show you. Yeah, it is over here. See, Australia. Wow, we've got Australia over here. I am going to just zoom out this so you can see the location of Australia. Where is it located? See, yeah. Now, this is just below Asia. If you can see here, this is Australia. Now, Australia is at the bottom right corner of the map. Yeah, and this is the smallest continent with very few countries. Australia has got very few countries. One of it is Australia. Australia, there is the continent name is also Australia, and there is a country that is named Australia, right? And do you know that there are more sheep even than people? And it is the home to many unique animals, like we did K for koala and K for kangaroo, right? So I am going to share with you the picture right now, the picture of Australia. Where is my Australia gone? Wait, I need to delete some of the pictures so we can see the rest of the pictures. Okay, so I am going to show you Australia. Where is my Australia? This is not Australia. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to, okay, yeah, here it is, Australia, right? Now, this is Australia, which you can see, as I told you, that this is at the, Australia is at the bottom right corner of the continent, right? Now, I just want to zoom this and see how many countries we can see over here. There is Australia, Western Australia, there is South Australia, then there is Adelaide, there is Melbourne, there is Sydney, there is Canberra, which is the capital of Australia, and there's Queensland. Wow, there's Perth. Perth is also the country of Australia. That is also like very famous country. So you can see all these at the seashore, the countries over here. So this is Australia. This is the smallest continent which we have discussed. And you can see the map of Australia over here, right? And now the last is left, which I want to show you is over here, if you can see. Yeah, I'm going to show you the picture over here. Now I am going to tell you there is a last continent that is called the Antarctica, right? And this is at the very bottom of the, yeah, can you see here? This is Antarctica. This is at the very, very bottom. Can you see? This is the bottom of the world, right? And here there is Antarctica. This is Antarctica, and Antarctica is, as I told you, that it is at the very, very bottom of the world's map, and this is the least populated continent. There are no people living over there. There are zero permanent residents. People go there for research or for like a couple of things, for photography and all, but there are zero permanent residents, and it is completely covered with ice. So the only biome here is Chandra biome, because this is all very cold, very, very cold. So I just want you to have a look at the picture of Antarctica. You see, this is a picture of Antarctica. Now, this is all covered with ice, and there are though no permanent residents, and this is at the top bottom of the world, right? So see, we have discussed all the continents right now. Now, this is our world's map, which we can see all the continents. We started with North America, then we went to South America, then we discussed about Europe, which is over here in the middle, we can see. Then there is Africa, Asia, the largest continent, then Australia, the smallest continent, and then at the top, at the bottom, we can see Antarctica. Yes. See, so this is all about continents. So I hope you've enjoyed it. So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. I'm going to see you soon, inshallah. Be safe, be happy, and Allah Hafiz.